Hello everyone, my name is Hassan Khan. Before I started to describe and brief email marketing, kindly subscribe, like and press the bell icon of my channel. What is email marketing? Email marketing is sending commercial emails to a list of contacts who have given their express permission to receive email communications from you. You can use email marketing to inform your contacts, drive sales, and build a community around your brand, like with a newsletter. Modern email marketing has moved away from one-size-fits-all mass mailings and instead focuses on consent, segmentation, and personalization. This may sound time-consuming, but marketing automation does the heavy lifting for you. Now talking about email marketing history. Email marketing has evolved rapidly alongside the technological growth that has occurred throughout the 21st century. Prior to this growth, email marketing was not as effective because of a lack of reach, as emails were novelties to the majority of customers and potential customers. In 1978, Gary Thuerk of Digital Equipment Corporation sent out the first mass email to approximately 400 potential clients via the Advanced Research Projects Agency network. It resulted in $13 million worth of sales in tech products, and highlighted the potential of marketing through mass emails. When we talking about what's the types of marketing, email marketing can be carried out through different types of emails. 1. Transactional emails. 2. Direct emails. And 3. Mobile email marketing. Number 1. Transactional emails. Many email newsletter software vendors offer transactional email support, which gives companies the ability to include promotional messages within the body of transactional emails. There are also software vendors that offer specialized transactional email marketing services, which include providing targeted and personalized transactional email messages and running specific marketing campaigns. Direct emails. Direct email or interruption-based marketing involves sending an email solely to communicate a promotional message. Companies usually collect a list of customer or prospect email addresses to send direct promotional messages to, or they can also rent a list of email addresses from service companies. Marketing. Email marketing now develops large amounts of traffic through smartphones and tablets. Marketers are researching ways to capture the attention of users, in both span and volume. This is because the rate of delivery is still relatively low due to strengthened filters, and also because certain users have multiple email accounts that serve unique purposes. Watching my video. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel. I shall be very thankful to you all.